Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix Start menu search in Windows 11 not working. First method is right-click Start button, click Run. Type Services, click OK. Open Windows Search, change Startup type to Automatic, click Start, click Apply, click OK, restart the service. Second method is right-click Start button, click Run, type Control Panel, click OK. Click Indexing Options. Click Troubleshoot Search and Indexing. Third method is right-click Start button, click Terminal Admin. Type get-apx package space, Microsoft.Windows.search space, reset-apx package. Fourth method is open any browser. Copy link from description and paste it. Right-click Run with PowerShell. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.